I never accepted the ride, but it said he was in my car. Slowly, I looked in the mirror. He was there, smiling, closer than before. His head tilted slightly, like he'd been watching me the whole time. Drive. I couldn't move. My hands wouldn't respond. Then the engine started, by itself. The doors locked. The GPS updated. New destination. I didn't touch anything. The car started moving. I wasn't driving. The road wasn't real. Then I saw them. Cars. Dozens of them. All stopped. Each one with someone inside. Not moving. Just staring forward. Like they were waiting. Like me. I tried to scream. Nothing came out. Then he leaned forward again, right next to my ear. You're the driver now. The next morning, my account was gone, but the app was still open, waiting. 2:17 a.m. And now it says, driver assigned.